Do you find difficulties choosing the right niches for your print on demand business? I have just found a solution for you. Hello guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be talking about getting trending niches for your print on demand business. In earlier videos, I explained that I'm a lifetime merch subscriber. That means I have access to unlimited designs. I can request custom designs as well as merch digest. Vexels merch digest is a PDF of niches given to Vexels subscribers, which helps them focus on profitable niches. This is the first time I'll be talking about the Vexels merch digest. I just wanted to know if you guys like such content. So tell me what you think about it. Leave a comment saying if you like it or not. If you like it, I'll go ahead and make more content like this. If you don't like it, I'm just gonna stop it at this level. So this is how the merch digest looks like. I'm just gonna read it out to you. September marks the final month of Q3, the very last chance you have to get ready for Q4 in full force. To prepare even better, we have a new official product to help you on your merch journey and some tips to help you find more niches. Let's get into it. Prepare for October. Between September and October, merchants start to perceive a growing increase in their sales given that they have the right designs and keywords analysis done. Let's help you out with a few tips and tricks to get ready for October, including concepts that can also be applied to other months. How to check for competition. This is very important for merchants. Determining the competition will determine if you make more sales or not. Well, your design too will matter, but competition matters most. So it says go into Amazon.com and hit the search bar for your desired keyword. Look for keywords with under 1000 results. Any lower than 500 results is a cold niche that you can fire up. So right here it shows you exactly how to look for it. 489 results, that's less than 5000, is a low competition niche, which is good. Themes for this month, this is very important. This is what I like to focus on. Halloween, horror, food, that's candy, treats, apples, pumpkin pie, fall, monsters, and creatures. So what I like to do is I just go, it says Halloween, so I'll just go back into my search bar, Vexel search bar, and search for Halloween. I'll just type Halloween and click enter. So the niches are literally given to you guys and the designs are available. I'll just go searching for a print ready design like this one. And actually, I think I've already uploaded that one. Let's look for something else. This looks nice. I haven't uploaded this one, so I'm just going to click it open and download. 9.3. See, it's really recent. So one trick that I like to do is to look for designs that are very recent. This ensures that very few people have uploaded it and I have a very high chance of making money with it. So I'll just go ahead and download this design. Let's go back to our merch digest. I'm going to come back to that design in a moment. So where were we? It says we have a special recommendation for sunset design since they have been working out great lately and have seasonal colors. So this is another niche right here. October Zodiac Designs, another niche. Avoid Santa. This year, unless anything extraordinary happens, or if you run a successful Christmas niche, avoid Santa designs at all costs. Yes, Santa designs are oversaturated. Everywhere you go, there are Santa designs, so it's good to avoid Santa designs. Focus on gifting others. On the flip side of Christmas designs during the holiday season, the designs that sell the most are gifts for families and friends. These often talk about the person who's wearing them, their passions, and things that make them laugh. Make t-shirts that strike emotions. Very important. Let's move on. New product phone cases. So veteran users have seen some phone case designs, so they're telling us to focus on phone case designs because phone case designs. Of the sale of phone cases is booming. That's what I'm just trying to say over here. And they're telling us to check out phone case designs here. It says if you were already uploading t-shirt designs and book cover designs, for those who are uploading to KDP, they also have book cover designs, ready-made book cover designs. Now you have another product to add up to your ranks and one less excuse to pick up your merch. Anyway, let's move on. So that's it for phone cases designs. They're telling us to focus on phone cases designs. October niche opportunity dates. So this is another part that I like to focus on. When I'm done with uploading designs for the previous niches here, I first of all start with this one's themes of the month, and then October zodiac signs, sunset designs, then phone cases. Next is opportunity dates. So first is International Day. That's October 1st, International Coffee Day. October 3rd, Techies Day. October 4th, Vodka Day. October 11th, Coming Out Day. October 14th, Dessert Day. October 18th, Cupcake Day. October 20th, International Slot Day. October 27th, Black Cat Day. October 29th, Internet Day. October 29th, again, Cat Day. October 31st, Magic Day. So there's unlimited niches to focus on. This merch digest comes out monthly, so all these niche, before you want to exhaust the designs for all these niches, the next month has already arrived. So this merch digest is a very great opportunity. Merch digest gives you niches that are profitable. They've already done the research. They are professionals. They know what they are doing. So there's no need for me to go out looking for niches. Everything has been done for me. The niches have been chosen. Designs have been made. The next thing is to upload. So we'll come back to this design here. I'm just going to draw it to my desktop. And I'm back to my Flying Upload tool. It's my favorite tool in uploading designs to all my print on demand platforms. As you can see here, all the print on demand platforms are here. So when I have chosen the niche I want to focus on, I've downloaded the design. The next thing is Flying Upload. If this is your first time watching this video, I always like to go for the 500 by 5400 pixels size, because this is the size recommended by Amazon, and it is perfect for other print on demand platforms. So when I click it open, it's gonna upload, and I'm gonna go back to the design. I'll copy Halloween elements with sparkles around. That's gonna be my description. Come back into Flying Upload, paste, go back into, it says Halloween sparkly elements t-shirt design. So I'm gonna write Halloween sparkly elements as the title. So that's my description and my tags. I'm just gonna copy Halloween, paste. So I'm just going to highlight Halloween, click on keywords. It's gonna pull in keywords that customers have typed in. I usually go between 20 to 25, because I think the maximum for spreadsheet is 25 tags or so. So this is 22, 22 is okay. So I'm going to choose man, woman, youth, and leave the design as black. The next thing is to upload. I'm going to go back, click upload, and I'm going to upload to Society 6. I'm literally not touching anything. It's doing all the work on its own. Here's my cursor. I'm not moving it. So it's uploading their design for me. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to upload just this one. When I'm done recording, I'm going to upload 2 small designs and upload. So there's one thing that I wanted to talk about, is how Flying Upload resizes the file to fit all the products available. Did you see that? It just resized it again. So that's one thing I like about Flying Upload that I haven't seen with other automation tools out there. That's why I use Flying Upload, and that's why you should use Flying Upload. I wouldn't recommend something I don't use, because all my recommendations come from experience. So if you're interested in learning more about Flying Upload, all the links are found in the description. and you can use the code Vanessa10 to get a 10% discount. So it's done uploading to Society 6 and it has given me an upload report. It's just telling me if the upload was successful or not. So it was definitely successful. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like to learn more about client upload of Vexels as well as the Vexels merge guide, the links are found in the description. If you like the content of this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because in the next video I'll be talking about how to market your design. So stay tuned.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.